I nominated Ethan for this award for his determination and enthusiasm for his apprenticeship. He had been an outstanding student from the start. He really stood out from the rest of his colleagues. His passion for his industry is just shone through, so Ethan was my clear choice.
So I've had numerous apprentices in different businesses over the years. Tav Ethan on board here is a massive asset to us. We're able to install in him our working practices so that he is part of the mainstay, and we invest in him so that he is the future.
When I was at school, I'd done work experience in a HGV workshop, and that's where I sort of picked up the pride to do this job. I had to do light vehicle for 3 years because I didn't achieve well enough at school. Sort of found my interest in fixing buses, coaches and lorries. Kept pushing to get an apprenticeship in heavy. Lucky enough to come on with Beeline, and then met Phil, and everything's just been going really well.
Academically, struggled at school, came out with lowly grades, but he certainly made up for it for his desire to learn this trade. It's a pleasure to have him on board, really.
Got knocked off my bike coming home from here one day. I was off work after that for 6 months, going through operations, etc. After 6 months, come back to Paragon Skills. They wanted to put me back a year, but I wasn't too happy with it.
In that time, he kept badgering me basically for work, where most people would have probably sort of given up with their apprenticeship. He went the other way. He really wanted to get it back on board and to progress with it.
For me, I was concerned that he could lose that desire to go forward. My first thought of this could be bad was put to bed, really, by the fact that he was pushing me, if you like, to give him the information.
From that, I've managed to come back, and with the help from Phil and the guys like Lewis, I've been able to stay on track, I think.
To be recognised, especially with what he's been through, is a massive thing for him, and hopefully it's a stepping stone for him to go forward.
So when I told him he won the award, he went completely quiet on the phone. You could hear his excitement sort of in his tone of his voice. He just kept saying, thank you so much. It's like he won the lottery almost.
Lewis rang me and said that I had to keep my mouth closed, but he told me that I'd won the award. I kept everything quiet for the day until Lee had rang me the next day, come in there and let all the guys know, and everyone was really pleased. And obviously I was chuffed myself. It means a lot because, like I say, this was my passion to do this job. Obviously with coming back from the crash, it is a really big incentive to hear that I'm doing well and that I'm at the point that I want to be at. Doing the apprenticeship's made a big difference to me. I think it's changed me as a whole. I've come on a lot with my dream job and fixing buses and coaches. So I wouldn't be in the position I'm in now without Lewis from Paragon Skills. He's really helped me come on, and I feel like I am in the position I am now because of Lewis from Paragon Skills.